We are here to showcase what Czech industry is capable of.
To represent my company, because I think we have much to offer in way of hydroponics and automatization.
We are looking for the new business opportunities, that we will meet some other nice partners and to do the network.
For people who want to become a farmer, we have a great solution, and I think everybody from Europe can be interested in our solution.
Our vision is to have a last mile delivery robot which would come next to your home, which would send you some notification. You could easily pick up the parcel or the package from the robot, and then it would go somewhere else for a next customer. We firstly want to showcase that this is possible. We want to show that to authorities of European Union, of local authorities.
There is a lot of challenges, of course, because if you want to, build a new market possibilities to work on, or you want to cooperate with the other partners, it's a long-term, it's long-run project. So for us, it's maybe the certification, because we also have to certify our products, and of course, for everybody now, it's the energy and the price of the energy.
One of the biggest challenge is to find qualified employees. It's really hard to have people who have a knowledge of such a difficult topic as autonomous driving is.
After COVID, maybe the personal contact is the issue, because when we do business, I like to have the personal contact with the people I'm talking to. So that's the biggest issue. People don't really want to meet.
I would say it's also some shortages of materials, of components, and so on. Czech Republic, we are focusing on developing modern technologies. We are here to showcase what is our vision for next few years.